Okay, this is what day? Friday. Don't know the day. It's 7 in the morning, or near enough. Just canceled my bus. I had a dental appointment to get a filling done. And these are the road conditions. You can hear the freezing rain coming down. We did get some snow. There's supposed to be more snow till about 2 o'clock this afternoon. But they've already they canceled school last night, but apparently I was going to UT Dental to get my filling done, and apparently they canceled University of Tennessee at 5 in the morning, because it was 2 hours ago when my student dentist texted me. So, anyway, just wanted to give you an update of how things are here in Memphis, Tennessee. Not really any traffic on the street for obvious reasons. There's one car and there seems to be a couple cars coming in. Like I said, it seems like, again, coming from Boston, this is nothing, but it seems like the roads are somewhat okay, but they just don't want to take any risk. Again, whatever's going to happen is going to happen on the side streets, sidewalks, and all that stuff. Because right after this, I didn't even check the temperature, but it's, yesterday it was 69 degrees, and then it dropped below freezing around 3:30, and it started frozen precipitation. We have been having rain all the time, but it's been freezing precipitation the whole time since about 3:30, and then but the temperature is not supposed to go. It's supposed to go into the 20s. Supposed to go into the 20s after this goes through by 2 o'clock, and it's not supposed to get above freezing till Sunday, I don't believe. So whatever's going to hit the ground is going to be here all weekend. So that's the other reason why they're concerned. Because even if you could get to work or school or whatever, the likelihood of being able to get back at 2 o'clock, or, after this blows over, it's not gonna happen. Anyway, it's long enough. I'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Be safe.